Now let us do the percentage method for measuring price elasticity of demand. Very important method. Percentage method for measuring price elasticity of demand. Now this method is also known as flux method, proportionate method and mathematical method. All these names you should learn. This method is percentage method is known as flux method, proportionate method or mathematical method. Let us do the definition. Elasticity is measured as the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded to percentage change in the price. So basically they have written the formula only in words, that is percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. And here we have written ED, that means elasticity of demand. Now let us derive one more formula with the help of this first formula. If I say according to percentage method, elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Now I will derive one more formula with the help of it. Percentage change in quantity demanded. Percentage को हम कैसे डिनोट करेंगे? डेल्टा Q अपॉन Q इंटू 100. बिकॉज परसेंटेज चेंज को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? डेल्टा Q अपॉन Q इंटू 100. By this method we calculate the percentage change. Now here what is delta Q? Delta Q is equal to Q1 minus Q. Then what is Q1 here? Q1 is new quantity demanded and Q is initial quantity demanded. Means पहले कितनी quantity demanded थी और अब कितनी quantity demanded है. So Q1 is new quantity demanded and Q is initial quantity demanded. Q1 minus Q equals to delta Q. Delta Q means change in quantity. So change in quantity upon initial quantity into 100. Like this we calculate percentage change in quantity demanded. So this is only the numerator part. Now come to denominator part. Percentage change in price. Percentage change in price means delta P upon P into 100. Now here what is delta P? It's equal to P1 minus P. Again here P1 is new price and P is the initial price. I hope this is clear to you what is initial price. Initial price means अगर मैं बोलूँ price हमारा 5 से 10 हो गया तो initial price is 5 here and 10 is the new price. ठीक है, price बढ़ गया, उसकी वजह से हमारी quantity demanded कम हो गई से from 100 to 50. तो 100 is the initial quantity demanded and 50 is the new quantity demanded. So I am writing this formula in this mathematical way. That is delta Q upon Q into 100. This is the numerator part and this is the denominator part, percentage change in price upon. So it will be delta P upon P into 100. Now this formula we can write in another way. If I write delta Q upon Q into 100 divided by, because this sign is for the division only, it's delta P upon P into 100. 100 cancel. So you are left with delta Q upon Q. Now this division sign I am changing into multiplication sign. So I will take reciprocal P upon delta P. Right? अगर हम ये डिवीजन का साइन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करते हैं तो उसके बाद जो फ्रैक्शन आती है उसका हम रेसिप्रोकल ले लेते हैं. राइट? So this is the other formula which we have derived from this formula. This formula percentage method and this is the formula for proportionate method. इसको हम बोलते हैं proportionate method. Now this can be written like this also. If I write delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. I hope this is clear to you. ये वाला मैंने denominator इधर ले लिया और ये वाला denominator इधर ले लिया. You can write in any way. Otherwise this is also fine. So we have done two formulas of measuring price elasticity of demand, that is percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price, and the second is delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. It can be written in this way also, or you can write it like this also, P upon Q into delta Q upon delta P. किसी भी तरीके से आप इसको लिख सकते हो. Now we will be using both the formulas for the numericals. Let us do one example. If I say calculate price elasticity of demand when demand increases from 4 to 5. Now the question is demand increases from 4 to 5 units. It means this is what? Q, and this is Q1. Due to fall in the price, now price has fallen. Due to fall in the price from 10 to 8. So this is our P and this is P1. Calculate elasticity of demand. Now in this particular question, first of all calculate delta Q. Delta Q will be Q1 minus Q. इस क्वेश्चन में Q1 है हमारा 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Then delta P, it will be P1 minus P. P1 is 8 minus 10, it will be minus 2. Now the formula to calculate elasticity of demand is P upon Q into delta Q upon delta P. Now put the values. P is given, that is 10. Q is 4. Multiply by delta Q is 1 and delta P is minus 2. Right? Now you have seen over here minus sign is there. Doesn't matter. We will solve the question and the answer will be it will be 2 5s are, it will be 5 upon 4 equals to 4 1s are 4, then 0.25 माइनस साइन. ठीक है. अब इस माइनस साइन को चाहे आप लिखो चाहे आप ना लिखो, डजेंट मैटर. वी विल इग्नोर दिस माइनस साइन. हम सिर्फ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज को ही कंसीडर करते हैं. एंड मोर ओवर यू विल सी इन सम बुक्स कई ऑथर्स ना इस फॉर्मूले के आगे माइनस साइन डाल देते हैं, तो वो माइनस माइनस अपने आप ही कैंसिल हो जाता है. Whether you write minus sign or you don't write minus sign doesn't matter, but I'll be doing the questions without minus sign, right? So its answer is 1.25.